What if I told you that artificial intelligence has just cracked the code on extending human lifespan by an entire decade? And what if this technology is already being tested right now, not in some distant future, but in labs across the world today? Today we're diving deep into the most groundbreaking development in longevity science. We'll explore how companies like OpenAI are using AI to literally redesign the proteins in our cells, how artificial intelligence can create a personalized aging plan based on your unique biology, and why leading scientists believe this could be the beginning of the end of aging as we know it. By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly how this technology works, which companies are leading the charge, and most importantly, what this means for your own lifespan and health span. Let's start with what just happened that changed everything. In January 2025, OpenAI announced something that shocked the scientific community. They've created an AI model called GPT-4b Micro, developed in partnership with Retro Biosciences, a longevity startup backed by Sam Altman with $180 million. But here's what makes this different from anything we've seen before. While Google's AlphaFold predicts what proteins look like, GPT-4b Micro actually redesigns them. Specifically, it's re-engineering something called Yamanaka factors. It's the proteins that can turn your adult skin cells into young stem cells. The results are staggering. This AI has improved the efficiency of cellular reprogramming by 50 times. To put that in perspective, cellular reprogramming used to take weeks and only worked on less than 1% of cells. Now we're talking about transformations that happen in days with dramatically higher success rates. This isn't just about making cells younger. It's about potentially growing replacement organs, treating age-related diseases, and fundamentally altering how we approach aging itself. What makes this credible is that OpenAI and Retro plan to publish their research for peer review. This isn't hype. It's science that will be scrutinized by the global research community. But protein engineering is just one piece of the puzzle. The real revolution is in personalized longevity medicine. Traditional medicine treats everyone the same way, but AI is changing that completely. According to research from the National University of Singapore, published in 2025, AI systems can now analyze what they call multi-omic data. That's your genetics, your microbiome, your lifestyle, your blood biomarkers, even your facial aging patterns, and create a completely personalized longevity strategy. Researchers have identified 8 critical requirements for AI-based longevity evaluations: correctness of results, usefulness, and comprehensiveness, interpretability of recommendations, consideration of causal mechanisms, holistic analysis of both benefits and risks, interdisciplinary approach, and most importantly, reproducibility. What this means is that AI can now tell you not just what supplements to take, but exactly when to take them, what exercises your body responds to best, and even predict health issues years before symptoms appear. Some companies are even developing digital twins, virtual copies of your biology that can simulate different interventions without you having to actually try them. Imagine being able to test whether a specific anti-aging treatment will work for you before spending time and money on it. While OpenAI grabbed headlines, other companies have been quietly revolutionizing longevity with AI. Insilico Medicine has developed something called Pandomics, an AI platform that can identify new drug targets for aging and age-related diseases in minutes, not years. Their AI analyzed 14 age-associated diseases and found 145 potential therapeutic targets. What's remarkable is that their system ranked these targets by drugability, essentially predicting which ones are most likely to lead to successful treatments. The investment in this space is staggering. The longevity biotechnology market is projected to reach $600 billion by 2028. Companies like Altos Labs, Human Longevity Inc., and dozens of startups are using AI for everything from discovering senolytic drugs to predicting cardiovascular disease years before it happens. Microsoft is even developing AI precision medicine platforms specifically for healthcare, showing that tech giants see this as the future of medicine. So what does this mean for you personally right now? First, we're seeing the emergence of AI-powered aging clocks that can measure your biological age with unprecedented accuracy. These aren't just looking at one marker like telomeres, but analyzing hundreds of factors including DNA methylation, protein levels, and even facial aging patterns. Companies are already offering tests that use AI to analyze your blood, predict your health risks, and provide personalized recommendations. The accuracy is getting so good that some can predict heart disease risk from just looking at your retinal scans. The key insight is moving from reactive to proactive medicine. Instead of waiting until you're sick, AI can identify problems decades early and suggest specific interventions. This could mean personalized exercise routines, targeted supplements, or even specific dietary changes based on your unique biology. The Society of Actuaries has published research suggesting that AI advancements could significantly extend human lifespan through three main mechanisms: early detection and intervention, precision medication tailored to individual needs, and enhanced treatment of chronic conditions. Of course, there are significant challenges. The FDA doesn't currently recognize aging as a disease, which creates regulatory hurdles for anti-aging treatments. Most of these AI-driven interventions will need to be approved for specific conditions rather than aging itself. There are also questions about access and equity. Will these treatments be available to everyone, or only to the wealthy? The cost of personalized AI medicine could create new forms of inequality in human lifespan. As for timeline, we're looking at a spectrum. Some AI-driven longevity insights are available today through various biomarker tests and aging clocks. The more advanced interventions, like the protein engineering we discussed, are likely 5 to 10 years away from widespread clinical use. But the trajectory is clear. We're moving toward a future where aging is not inevitable, but a condition that can be measured, predicted, and potentially controlled. To recap, AI is revolutionizing longevity science through protein engineering, personalized medicine, and predictive health analytics. Companies are making breakthroughs that could extend human lifespan by a decade, and some of this technology is already available today. If you found this fascinating, you need to subscribe because this is just the beginning. The longevity revolution is happening now, and staying informed could literally add years to your life. What aspect of AI longevity medicine interests you most? Let me know in the comments, and I'll cover it in a future video. Thanks for watching, and here's to a longer, healthier future for all of us.